I'm Christa Petrillo of Total Horsemanship. I recently acquired a stallion that has trailer loading issues, and today I'm going to take the time to show you how to properly trailer load a horse. There are 4 common mistakes that people make when trying to trailer load a horse. One of the common mistakes I see people making when trying to load their horse is they try to show the horse by example, using another horse on how to load before the horse with the trailer loading issue. Or the person will actually physically try to show the horse how to load themselves. Another common mistake that people make when loading a horse is they use the running start technique. That is the technique where they try to get the horse to move quickly towards the trailer, thinking momentum will load the horse. And it kind of goes like this. 1, 2, 3, go! The horse gets to the trailer, stops, and the handler takes the horse away and tries it again. 1, 2, 3, go! And the horse gets to the trailer and stops. What this is teaching the horses every time they get to the trailer to stop, because the handler will take them away from the trailer, which originally is what the horse wants. The horse does not want to get in the trailer, and the handler is reinforcing that thought process in the horse. The third common mistake people make when loading their horse is they use the bribery technique. The reason this is incorrect is not all horses are food motivated. And for those horses that are food motivated, when in a stressful situation, food may not be enough of a motivation to load that horse, and the horse needs to load under any circumstance. The fourth common mistake people make during trailer loading is the force technique. That is when the handler will try to pull the horse in or use a butt rope on the horse's hind end to push the horse in, or they will whip the horse until the horse loads. The reason this is incorrect is the horse will become more and more reluctant to load because it is an unpleasant situation for them. Understanding equine behavior is a key component when trailer loading our horse. Horses' eyes transition differently from light to dark than humans do, and it takes the horse longer to adjust from that light difference than it does a human. Along with vision, many horses are claustrophobic, meaning that they don't do well in small, tight spaces. Understanding their vision and how a horse perceives and sees the interior of a horse trailer will help us better understand and be patient with our horses when we are going through the trailer training process. The most important cue we must teach our horse for trailer loading is the go forward cue. We're going to do this by teaching our horse bridle work. When teaching bridle work, we need a bridle with a snaffle bit, an 8 to 10 foot lead rope, and a dressage whip. Before you get started, connect your lead rope to your horse's bit on the same side that you're standing. Standing at your horse's shoulder, ask the horse to circle around you, keeping approximately 2 feet between you and the horse. It's very important that the horse does not shoulder into you, meaning that the horse's shoulder should not bump into you while you're asking the horse to go around. You want to drive your horse from the hip forward, just as if you were driving the horse into the horse trailer. As the horse goes around you, occasionally you will stop your horse and back them up, reinforcing your whoa and your backup. This is important for when you ask your horse to actually back out of the trailer. Now it's important that you ask the horse to stop and back up fluidly. It's not a whoa, wait, then back up. It's a whoa, back up. The reason this is important is if you stop the horse and allow the horse to stop, then back up, the horse has a better chance of bracing against the backup than if they stopped and went immediately into a backup. There are many issues you'll encounter when trailer training your horse. We're going to go over a few of the common ones today. One of the most common issues you'll encounter is the horse backing up when asking them to go forward. You will continue to tap your horse on the hip until the horse takes a step forward. Do not release pressure and do not stop tapping your horse until your horse takes that step forward. Trailer loading is one step at a time. Another common issue that you will encounter is the horse dodging the trailer. That will look like the horse either going away from you, trying to get on the outside of the trailer, or coming towards you. Bridle work addresses this issue in teaching the horse to be respectful of your space. The third final common issue you'll encounter with trailer loading will be the horse getting halfway in and then trying to leave the trailer before they're asked to. It's important to teach the horse how to back out of the trailer and making it your idea. If you think your horse is going to leave the trailer, try to ask them to back before they make the decision. Everything we do, we want it to be our decision. We want to be the leader when teaching our horse something new. Thank you for watching today's instructional video on trailer loading. Give these training techniques a try, and hopefully your next trailer loading experience will be a successful one.